What's up, y'all? I believe that I found the best Forex prop firm on the planet. If you guys are looking for a prop firm, look no further. I believe that these guys are really, really good. They are listed on propfirmmatch.com. And if you watch my content, you know how I feel about propfirmmatch.com. They are vetted. If the prop firm is not on there, then it's capped. They're not good. They're going to scam you. Don't go with them. So if you guys go to my link tree, you can scroll all the way down and you can find where it says best Forex prop firm. So let's go ahead and check them out. We have GOAT Funded Trader right here. You guys, this prop firm is amazing. They have a 40% off deal going on right now and 50% off for new customers. So it says trade like the greatest. They have MT5, which you need MT5. You don't really need MT5, but when I was trading Forex, I really liked MT5. So if we scroll down to see get funded, before we get to that, they have $20 million in payouts. $2,100 is the average reward that people are getting for their Forex prop firm trading. And then 250,000 users worldwide. That's a lot of people using this prop firm. Let's go ahead and check out the first step right here that they have. So they have their GOAT model right here. You can use Trade Locker, Volumetric Trader, Max Trader, C Trader, and MT5. Let's go ahead and go through every single one of these and identify which one we feel like is the best. So we have the 15K account. It is $100. When you use the coupon code, the original price for it is $178. The profit target, of course, is the same as every other prop firm. It is 10%. You can use 1 to 100 leverage, and the payout is bi-weekly. They have an add-on for you to be able to do a higher profit split so they don't take out as much money. And we can be able to probably check some of that out later, but let's go for the 25K account. So that is going to be 149, 150. And same thing, 10%. You got the max loss, 4%. Bi-weekly, same thing. 25K, that is going to be $215. The 100K is $407. Remember, this is all after you put in the coupon code. And then the 200K account is $659. Let's go to the two-step and see what they're talking about. So they have a GOAT model, they have a standard model, and then they have the pro model. We'll go through what that means in a little bit, but of course you can use the same platforms. They have a 5K account right here. And for the 5K, it is 8%, 6%. Bi-weekly payout, of course, still. It is $17 for a 5K account. I really love the fact that prop firms exist, because for you to have access to $5,000 with just paying 17, you can't beat that. People always ask me, should I fund my own account? And I'm like, no, bro, get a prop firm. What's wrong with you? Why would you fund your own account when you could just get a prop firm? Especially for the people that ain't what's wrong with you, but it's just like, what? Don't do that. Yeah. So anyway, so they got 5K, they got 8K, which is $34, that 15K, which is $60, 25K, which is $90, 50K, $173, 100K, $275, and then 150K, $437. Again, you are paying $437 to have access to $150,000. You can't beat that. So for their 3-step plan, which is always going to be cheaper, the higher the steps, the cheaper it is. So for the 10K, it's going to be $40. For the 15K, it is $51, 25K, $90, 50K, $135, 100K, $219, and the 200K is $400. And you can use all of these instant funding. Let's see. So the instant funding, guys, like, just know with any prop firm, if you do instant funding, the rules are going to be crazy. You have to be a really good trader to maintain instant funding. But they have the GOAT and then they have the pro. So let's see what the difference is between these two and what the pricing is. So they have a 5K, which is $65. You guys see the prices right here. I want to go all the way from the 5K to the 400K. So you see the price is going up tremendously. So 200K, 1,000, 250, 12, 300K. So this one right here is originally $3,000. Think about it though. You were paying $17.99 for access to $400,000. That's a really, really good deal. Now let's look at the rules though. So the maximum daily loss is 3%. So that means you have to like really be patient as you're trying to grow it. You can get paid out bi-weekly. The maximum loss is 6K. So you guys know the daily loss, that means you don't breach the account fully to where you lose it. It's just a soft breach and you can't trade until the next session. The leverage is always the same, bi-weekly, and then you can add on stuff. The cool thing about this too is when you get your payout, you get refunded. That's what I like about Forex prop firms, because futures prop firms don't allow you to do that. Forex prop firms fully give you a refund. Which, come on, futures prop firm guys, come on, guys, come on. Um, so let's see what the pro's talking about. So for the pro, they have a 2,500K account, which is interesting. And that one is $41, and then the 100K account is $500. Now this is instant, and this is a pro. There is no maximum daily loss limit. I feel like with GoFundMe futures, the best accounts that they have are the pro accounts. That's what I'm starting to discover. It's just it's the best one. Yeah, so there's no daily loss limit. That's really cool. And then the max loss is 4%. I really, really like that. Yeah, and then this is all 40% off. So let's see what the gold blitz is talking about. Let's go for the 2,500 account. It's not 25K, it's 2,500. That is $30. And then if you go all the way up, that's $370. And that's for the 100K. For the rules, 3K. For the daily loss, maximum loss is 5K. Let me scroll up. Yeah, so these are, yeah, I just wanted to make sure I wasn't missing anything, but yeah, dang. Wow. Okay, so let's just say that I wanted to go with the instant account and I wanted to risk $1,700. Let's go ahead and click that and see what it says. So they're gonna take me to the checkout, and they just gonna make sure that we're not usual. You say, this is what you trying to do, you sure? So you can use, regular stuff, PayPal, Apple Pay, Bitcoin, digital currencies, Ethereum, which is really cool. And then if you want to do the add-ons where you can have 100K profit split, sorry, 100% of the profit split, which means they don't take nothing out of your profit splits, it is looking like, oh, it's only a couple dollars. That's really cool. And then if you wanted multiple accounts, which is fire, so it cuts the price tremendously. So you'll have, if you get funded with these guys and you pay for it, you'll be instant funded. Let me see, 4, 8, 12. You'll be funded with $1.2 million for $1,600, man. Come on, man. So that's really cool. So you'd be paying this much money for all of these things, and you would go ahead and pay. I really like GoFundMe features. Again, they are on profitmatch.com, so they are fully vetted and fully legitimate and fully paying people out. If you guys found interest in this video, go ahead and check them out. Go ahead and use my affiliate link. It'd be a blessing. They're sponsoring today's video, and I believe that this is a really, really good platform if you guys haven't checked them out. So let me know what you think.